guys, it's Allure and I'm back again with another hall tour video, and I'm in front of Legends Hall right now. If this is your first time seeing me, I plan on doing a lot more hall tour videos, so you should definitely like and subscribe so that way you don't miss anything from me. And if you guys are coming back, thanks for coming back, and to the girl who asked me to do Legends Hall, I'm finally doing it. So today we're going to be going through this hall. It is an upperclassman residence hall, and it is going to be private singles and just normal single occupancies. Ooh boy, this wind makes me nervous. I need a better tripod. But let's go ahead and jump to the tour. Lobby area / common area at Legends Hall. So all around me, you've got extra seating. There's a TV over here, so that way if you wanted to have people over but not necessarily have them come to your room, you can bring them out here. Over here, there's just going to be a table. It used to be a kitchenette, so anyone who's been here previously, that's not there anymore because they've built an actual kitchen. Directly in front of me is going to be the front desk, but this front desk is not going to be 24 hours just because this is an upperclassman residence hall. So if you guys ever do have an issue, lock yourself out of your room or have an emergency, you guys are going to go to College Inn, which is going to be right next door. So this is going to be the game area at Legends Hall. So you're going to have a pool table and a ping pong table. And if you wanted to use any of these things here, you would just go check them out from the front desk. But if your front desk people aren't there, you can't check out anything. So. This is going to be a centralized laundry unit, meaning it's the only one that we have here available. Everything here is going to be coinless, and that's going to go for all of our laundry facilities on campus. You're only responsible for bringing your laundry detergent. And this is always going to be open. There is no door lock or anything like that, so you're always free to do your laundry. I recommend not doing your laundry, the Sunday night before school or Friday night before everyone's trying to go out and do stuff. So do it on a Tuesday at 4 a.m. or something. At Legends Hall. Now this kitchen is not always going to be open. It does have opening and closing hours, and so if you wanted to use this kitchen, if this door is open, you're welcome to come in. If it's not, you'd have to go get the key from the front desk. So in this kitchen, we do have a community fridge. Just make sure you put your name on stuff. If there's no name, it's fair game. And we also give you a stove and an oven and a microwave. So basically anything you could possibly need to cook with, we give that to you. We even give you like pots, pans, and whisks, and blenders, and pretty much everything. So if you don't want to have to splurge, you get your own pots, you don't have to. This is going to be the kitchen area that comes in Legends Hall. So we do not provide you with a fridge or a microwave. Those are things you have to bring yourself, and appliances do still need to be below 1,000 watts. But things that you normally wouldn't be able to have, such as like a toaster or something like that, you could have here because this is a designated place for you to have those kinds of appliances. We also have a sink, so that you can wash your dishes, that sort of thing, clean things. And up above, we've got cabinet space up above and cabinet space down below. This right here is going to be your temperature control. So unlike in freshman residence halls, with Rollins being an exception, you can control the temperature in your room. So just make sure you discuss with your roommate whether you like it 60 degrees or 70 degrees. Private single that we have at Legends, and the difference between the single occupancy and the private single occupancy is going to be this shared common area out here. So behind me, you're gonna have two doors. One's gonna be your door, the other one's gonna be your roommate's door. Your keys can get you into the front door, but only your individual key can get you into your individual room. So your rooms are lockable. To have a bed, which is going to go to a maximum height of 3 feet. The mattress size is going to be twin extra large, and you're going to have a desk and a desk chair with this desk add-on. On this desk, you're going to have just one drawer and like a little open area, and then you'll have like a little pull-out desk for like a laptop or planner, something like that. And so you and your roommate are each going to have these things in your room. So right over here is going to be your sink and vanity area, as well as your dresser. So your dresser is going to have 3 drawers, and you're going to have your sink area that does have cabinet space underneath if you want to keep cleaning supplies, and of course your mirror, which is going to be significantly larger than most mirrors that you're going to see in other residence halls, including freshman residence halls. And right here is going to be your closet. It's not a walk-in closet, so there's just doors that move from side to side, and the doors are pretty easy to slide. They don't get stuck or anything. So you can't bring your whole closet here, but you got a pretty good size. Single occupancy at Legends Hall. So basically the difference between this one and the one over there is you don't have the common space anymore, but you do still have the bathroom that you will share with one other person on the other side. So it's just going to be the 2 of you. Your closet size is the same. All of this furniture is going to be the same size, with the bed 3 feet to an extra large. So everything in here is the same. We just took away the common area. Everything in here is movable, so your desk doesn't have to go here, your dresser doesn't have to go there, even your bed tail doesn't have to go there, if you can find somewhere else to move it. But just remember, you can't take things out of this room. So let's say you do have your own chair that you wanted to bring in, say a gaming chair for example, you're more than welcome to bring it, but you would have to find some place to store this chair, in your closet, under your bed, something like that, since you can't take things out of this room. You can control the AC in these rooms. However, with the joined rooms, only one of those rooms is going to have the AC unit in it. So it's kind of a 50-50 chance of whether you get to have control over the AC or not. All right, guys, so that was Legends Hall, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the tour, and I hope that it was detailed enough for you guys. If you do have any specific questions, feel free to let me know in the comments, any concerns, anything like that, kind of like the hall culture. I can answer those questions for you in the comments down below. If you have a different residence hall that you want me to do, I do plan on doing all of them, but if I do have a request, I'll go ahead and do the requests first. So check out my other hall tour videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.